How to create a straight line in Affinity Photo, PC or Mac. Go to the Tools panel and select the Pen tool. Click the document, hold down the Shift and you'll notice you get this yellow line. Just click again and now you've got your straight line. The straight line in Affinity Photo can also be modified using the node tool. Simply go to any of these nodes, this one or this one, and you can then rotate it, reposition it and also resize it. You can also do the same with select the Move tool, simply click there and you can resize it that way, as well as rotate it. You can also change the colour as well. Click here, you can go and select a swatch, so swatches, maybe that one or that one or that one and so on. Also you can set it to a solid colour by clicking colour and then going for, say, strong red. If you applied a gradient, what you can do, you can modify the gradient by going to the gradient tool. So go to the gradient tool, select that, there's the gradient tool. Make certain you've got here the context is not set to fill but set to stroke. With that you've now got linear, elliptical, etc. You can change it. You can also change the gradient, but you can also manipulate it using the gradient tool, so you can reposition it to create all kinds of super colourful straight lines. With the Move tool selected, you can right click, go down to Layer Effects, click there and then go for, say, 3D, and you can give a 3D effect to your straight line. You can modify the radius, create something like that. Also go to Outer Shadow, click there, highlight this and then change the radius, offset and intensity and close. If you want to duplicate this design, you can simply use the Move tool, press Return or Enter on the keyboard and a panel will appear. And you go up here and you can change this horizontal setting, maybe set it to 40 and you can see it's shifted, or maybe go to 80. But you can also go down here to Duplicate, click there and you'll notice now you've got 2. You can also change the number of copies, so now instead of that you've got 16 in total. Straight lines can also be then grouped. Right click and group, and if you want to rasterize them, turn them into a pixel layer. At the moment they're vectors. You can right click and you can go down to a rasterize and they're all rasterized into a pixel layer. You can then manipulate them using effects and much more. Please check out my other videos on Affinity Photo.